Hey, what's up guys? It's Sami again here, and this is short video about last video in Zwagger and post request. And I get here some hint. They say that okay, we have here in our return class, we have here incoming request string, and this is a string. Okay, so this is a string. They ask, but object, when I'm saying a request is coming here, uh, and then I'm saying here, in that request there is a list of address, in that list of address there is other list, and in that list there is something else. And with other word, this is something like this: you have a list, for example, in that list you have other list, okay, and in that list you have a string. You have to imagine something like this. And now they ask how I get that string, because you can't directly pass that string because this is inside of two other lists. Okay, and now let's show you something. I want to say first check, for example, is equal to I'm taking my ttt variable here, that's this one, and we have here in C sharp uh, element at. Okay, because if you take a look here in the first list, what is the first element? The first element is also again a list. With other word, when I say this to my program, it's going to do like this. Now here I have a list and there is a string inside. Okay, and now I say okay again var, and now I'm taking this string, var my second, for example, and I say that, and then again I take it element at 0, and in this position element 0 is that string what I need. And I say here okay, I'm saying now this is my other object, and here I want to say uh, it had also again track number, and I want to say track number I have here random, and I say here rnd.next. Here, for example, for me, between 1 and 500, take a random number. Okay, and like this, let's run our program and see, because the question was right, the list was very three lists, and in the last list there was one string, and we try to take that string. And yeah, because you can't use a string in two or three other lists like here. Okay, and now where is this sum? I showed you class in the last video. I have employee, I have a list of addresses in that employee, and in that list of addresses I have a list of ladies, and in that of list of ladies list of something, and I want this value, and this is what I expect to get back. I have a response of data array, and this is first element. Let's now say, for example, this is SSS, and execute it. And now let's track here. Look, I'm showing you. We say here this line. I want to show you what is inside. Say we have here one incoming object, and now let's check tt. tt is here. What we want to say okay, look, you say first element is also, look, it was other element, in that other element there was other list, and in that list there was s, what I've typed. And I say here okay, and now my sec is this, and just now let's see here, I get value in three other lists. And now let me show you what I mean when I'm saying a list of a list. And now say I want now just directly return TTT. Okay, now again I want to type this, I want to repeat exactly same process. Okay, everything is the same, but here I expect to get something else. Okay, uh, just like this. Here, look, this is incoming object. If we do it, there is a list or array. In that array there is other array, and first element of the second array is f here, which we take it like this. Okay, and now see, if I'm doing like this, you can't directly pass that tt object to as a string, because you say that is something else, that is a list of a list, and this is just a string. That's why we say okay, we are going to do this way, and again. Now I'm going to run it, and like this I'm going to take a deep look of incoming objects. And I didn't expect I should to explain right this, because I expect that at least you know how to deserialize some objects or some things. and and yeah, but maybe for some people this is also complicated, and that's our goal to to hear, to discuss about these things. Okay, and here I forget to say now return me response. And what was response, give it back to me. What here I told in that video, and just this is a correction video to just, because this is the point. And if you get what I'm saying now here in this video, you get whole point, okay. And now again, let's I don't need to debug it anymore. Just here, look, and track number was a random number each time, and like this. And this is the meaning of this project. This is a post method, and I say okay, this object is coming, I get my information what I need, and then I can say here underline context dot employee, for example, and context dot employee dot add, for example, object object of employee. I can now save that context in my database. But this is not the part what I want talking about, because this is the easiest part. Object, incoming object is really important, and like this you get what you want. Have a nice day, see you in the next one. Hey, Bambari!